Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm showing you how to make this quick little pair of leather huggers. These are made of Italian leather. I have a leather packet that has this purple in it. And I'm also using my shape templates. So let's get into it. These earrings take just a small piece of leather. So here is a remnant, a piece of my purple Italian leather that I have. I need my glue. I need my earring findings, my earring stud and the back. And I also need my my poker. I have some pliers that I use to make a hole in the earrings, but you could use this or you could use the other thing. I'm using one of the shape templates from my 10-piece shape template set, and I'll show you that at the end. I'm tracing my design on the back of my leather, and then I'm going to cut it out. I'm using a pair of leather shears that I bought from Tandy Leather. I'm turning my leather pieces over to the back side with the back side up, or the suede side up. I'm going to glue these studs to that part of the leather. I'm using E6000 glue. Now I need to mark where my hole is going to be, the hole that's going to be for the earring back. I'm using my hole punch pliers to make my hole in my leather. These hole punch pliers are really good. They can even cut through light metal. I have a link to these in my Amazon store. They come in 2 different hole sizes. I'm going to grab the earring back with my pliers because they're so tiny, and I have to put glue on them, but I can't get glue in the hole, so I need to put the E6000 on each side of the earring back. And now I'm going to glue it on the right side of the other end of the leather piece. I'm using my needle tool to poke it through the hole so that I could put the earring back in the right place. Here's the second earring back. So I have my piercing tool poking through the hole so that I could put the earring back in the right place and make sure that it goes on. So I'm just gonna wait until the glue dries, and then we'll be done. This is the 10-piece shape template set. The piece that I used was the smallest piece in the set. So here are the shapes that are included in the 10-piece set. And I have several sets of these. This one is the large set. I have a small set that has these pieces in it, just on a smaller scale. And then I have 2 other sets that have different shapes from these. And here is the 10-piece leather pack that I have. The purple came out of this pack. So these are beautiful, bright colors, Italian leather. I buy this from Tandy Leather. I get them in big pieces, and then I cut them down These pieces are 9 by 6, so you get 10 9 by 6 pieces. Today is April 20th, and for the next 24 hours, I have a sale on where you can get the 10-piece leather packet plus the 10-piece shape templates for free. So you would buy the leather packet at its regular price, and you would get the 10-piece shape templates for free. If you happen to be someone who already has the 10-piece shape templates, let me know in the notes and I will give you a different set of the shapes. Look for the link in the description. And here are the leather ear hugger earrings. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. That would help me greatly. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.